PackGeek.
Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jeff with PackGeek here, and today we're opening 5 wax packs of 1980-1981 Topps basketball cards. This is the same series that the Bird and Magic Johnson rookie is in. So hopefully we'll pull something like that today, maybe a Dr. J card, something exciting. So let's see what we've got here. Cards were purchased from the Baseball Card Exchange, a very trusted source for this sort of material. And let's see here, our first gum card is a Robert Parrish. Well, I can deal with that.
Oh.
Elvin Hayes.
Oh.
Poster. Got the Kareem Abdul-Jabbar All-Star card there. Looks like a Dr. J Slam Dunk card. And the Robert Parrish regular issue card. These are really, really nice looking cards. Sharp corners, good shape. Alright, not off to a bad start. By the way, in case you haven't opened these before or seen these cards, they're 3-panel cards. They're perforated down the center. Really kind of unique looking cards. See, on the back here, it looks like we have a Dr. J All-Star card. And there's just a little wax on there that we'll try to wipe off later, but just a look at that card. George Gervin. Nice Adrian Dantley there. David Thompson. Calvin Murphy, All-Star. And our gum card is a Kareem Abdul-Jabbar rebounding leader. So hopefully this gum will come off. Yeah, it looks like it's barely on there. So minimal gum residue on the back of this card. Gum card from this pack is no one particularly special. Right. Another George Gervin All-Star. Wes Unsled. Another Kareem Abdul-Jabbar and David Thompson card. And a Calvin Murphy All-Star. You almost get an All-Star on every card since there's 3 players per card. And it's a relatively small set, I believe under 300 cards.
Oh.
Gum card, nothing spectacular. There is the Larry Bird Magic Johnson rookie card. Very cool. It looks really nice. There might be one small print defect towards the bottom right hand corner, but it looks relatively good and great corners. That is so awesome. I've never ever pulled that card from a pack, so that's really exciting for me. Alright, let's see what else we have. Here's another look at the Bird Magic rookie card. Really, it's in pretty darn good shape. I'm excited about that. Alright, one last pack. Gum card is a Kermit Washington. I can deal with that. Larry Bird rebounding leaders. George Gervin. And that is that for the 80-81 Topps basketball cards. Awesome. I'm really excited about pulling the Bird and Johnson rookie. Fantastic. Thanks, guys. Appreciate you watching.